What's up, lifelong learners? It's your boy, Mr. Hang, and today we're going to just quickly learn how to use the shortcut in Premiere Pro Q and W, and I'm creating the tutorial right now for you. So you have your sequence. This is an example that I already cut up, like mistakes and everything that I didn't want in the final video. So what you're going to do is you're going to drag and drop like a video like this, okay? Oh, maybe that one's too short. I'll do this one right here. That one's longer. Okay. So actually I'll put both. Okay. So A roll 1 and A roll 2. So the letter Q on the keyboard will cut from here and delete all this on the left side and get to this line right here where the cut is. See? There you go. That was me pushing Q. Now, if I were to go over here, right here, and I push the letter W, it's going to cut and delete everything over here. And you're going to move, let's say this clip was over here. You're going to move this over, cut all of this right here out and move this over to join with that cut right there. This is the letter W. That's what it does. Okay. So this is a very powerful, quick way of editing out stuff you don't need. Like, let's say come over here. You're going to do Command K for cutting. And then you're going to come over here and then you push the letter the letter Q to delete everything on the left side and bring all this stuff over right here because there's like a pause right there. Push Q. Boom. Let's say there's like a pause right here, right? Oh, let's say like I don't need this stuff anymore right here. And I just want this to come over real quick. I'm going to ripple delete this side by pushing the letter W. And then everything on the right will go shoop like that. See? That is how you use Q and W. Now be careful. Don't accidentally push the wrong thing and accidentally delete everything over on this side by pushing W. I'll do Command Z. Or you can accidentally delete everything on this side by pushing the letter Q. See? So be careful of doing this. It's a shortcut, but also at the same time, it can create a lot of headache for you as well. All right, that's the end of this tutorial. Rock, paper, peace.